Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Accounts Guru Cool. Learn accounting online. So today we are here with one more content, and in this we are going to discuss about accrued income, question answers, one line answer format. So that's what we are going to discuss. When the interview is there, the interviewer asks some sort of questions. That's a short questions to know how you give the answer for that. And the expected answers for that questions within the one sentence or max it's a two. Then that's if that's the scenario is there, then how you are going to give the answer for that. So that we are going to discuss here. So request viewers to be with us till the end to get a more insight about to know how you have to give the answers. And in addition to that, this is going to give the good benefit to you to know either how much in-depth knowledge you have about the accrued income. So considering, request all the viewers to be with us to get a more insight about accrued income. In addition to that, if you guys are looking for any sort of training related to accounting and finance, either that's going to be your P2P, O2C, R2R, FNA, or any software related training, then you can connect with us on our email ID accounts.gurukul@yahoo.com. And if you want to explore our courses and how we can help you grow, then you can visit our website accountsgurukul.com. So we'll jump towards that. Accrued income relates to a future accounting period. Now, this is the questions. Accrued income relates to a future accounting period. So you are not able to get an information from your interviewer. Either the question is false, true, yes, no. Nothing is there. It's a straightforward questions. Accrued income relates to a future accounting period, and you have to give the answer for that. Now, first, you need to understand the questions, and second, how you are going to give the answer for that. In questions, it's asked, it says accrued income relates to a future accounting period. So obviously, the statement is not going to be the correct one since the accrued income is not related to the future accounting period. Then, how you're going to give the answer for that? So your quick response towards that question is that the given statement is false. Accrued income relates to the current accounting period. However, it is received in future. So it means that the accrued income that's related to the current accounting period and it is received in the futures or received on the same time. So when that's going to be received, that's a different. But accrued income is related to the current accounting period. When you are closing your books of account, whatever the income is generated, incurred till that date, you have to take it in the books of account. That's the accrued income. So the accrued income relates to a future accounting period. So this is incorrect. This is a false statement. Now the next one, accrued income account is dash dash to post the journal entry for accrued income. Now when you are taking the entry for accrued income, then accrued income account is either that's a debit or credit. So your answer is going to be debit accrued income account and credit income account while journalizing accrued income. So when you are taking any entry related to accrued income in the books of account, so your accrued income is going to debit and that's your asset. Now the next one, rent received in advance is accrued income for your business. The question is going to be the rent received in advance is accrued income for your business. Then in the first question itself, we discussed that the accrued income relates to the current accounting period. Then the rent received in advance is accrued income for your business. Then how this statement is going to be the correct? So this is also is not the correct one. So your answer, your response to these questions is that the given statement is false. Rent received for a building land is an unearned income, unearned revenue or income received but not earned. It is the opposite of accrued income. So rent received in advance is accrued income for your business. So that's not our income. That's not our accrued income, since that rent is received for the future period and that service we haven't yet delivered. He haven't utilized that premises. If he paid for the future month, then till the time he is not going to use of that premises, we can't consider that as the income for us. So that's going to be unearned income, unearned revenue, or income received but not earned. Now the next one, commission earned but not received is an example of accrued income. So now the commission earned but not received is an example of accrued income. Then yes, that's a correct. Since accrued income pertaining to what's your incurred income that you have to consider irrespective when that's going to receive. So the answer for this, the given statement is true. Commission earned by the business but not yet received is another revenue item where actual money is yet to be received. It is a clear example of accrued income. So this is a clear example of accrued income. Now the next one, accrued income is a dash dash account. Either that's going to be personal, real, or nominal. Accrued income is a personal account. So at the end of the day, we are going to receive the income from someone. Either that's your commission is on by the business. It means the commission is going to receive from another organization. So considering that, this accrued income is a personal account. Interest accumulated on investment is accrued income for your business. Yes, that's correct. The given statement is true. Accrued interest on investment is an income earned but not received. Therefore, it is accrued income for your business. The next one, although such income is not in hand, it is to be recorded in the books. Yes, that's true. Even though that income is not in hand. So when that's going to be received, that's a secondary. But that's earned means that's going to be considered as an income for us. The given statement is true. Accrued income is recorded because of the matching principles and accrual basis of accounting. Now see how much is in depth until you are able to analyze your skill. Each question is related to the basic concept of accounting, fundamentals of accounting, base of accounting. The answer is expected within 1 or 2 sentences. But the knowledge, what interviewer analyzing, assessing within you, that's in depth. When and how you're giving the answer for that, that's also is important. Although such income is not in hand, it is to be recorded in the books. The given statement is true. Accrued income is recorded because of the matching principles and accrual basis of accounting. The answer is not only true, the given statement is true, but it's added through your knowledge. That's because it's a matching principles and accrual basis of accounting. That's the important one. See, how you give the answer for any questions, that's important. And you have to do the focus towards that. Accrued income is also called what? So whatever the alternative nomenclatures we have for accrued income. The accrued income is also known as outstanding income as it is yet to be received. Deferred income is unearned income and not accrued income. So the accrued income is also known as outstanding income as it is yet to be received. But the deferred income is not the accrued income. That's unearned income. Next one, accrued income is recorded in. So where that's going to be park in our books of account. So the accrued income is to be recorded on the asset side of a balance sheet under the head of current asset. So that accrued income is going to receive in the future, and that's our asset. That's reason that's treat as an asset towards the balance sheet under the head of current assets. Now the next one, accrued income is treated as, then what we are going to treat as accrued income. The accrued income is a current asset for the business as income is yet to be received. Accrued income is recorded in the period when it is due. It is to be recognized in the same year it arises as per the accrual basis of accounting. So accrued income is recorded in the same period when it is due. Accrued income is but not received. So the accrued income is the income which is earned but not yet received. So that's the answer for accrued income is earned but not received. So that's the quick 12 questions related to accrued income, and the expected answer is in one or two sentences, and we discuss how you have to give for that. Do the focus towards such questions, try to give the answers from your end, then see the answers what's there, do the focus towards the basic concept of accounting and enhance our skills at towards the export end. But for that, the foundation is more important to have a grip on that. So request all the viewers to be with us to get more insight about accounting and finance. In addition to that, if if you are looking for any sort of training related to accounting and finance, then you can connect with us on our email ID accounts.gurukul@yahoo.com. Thank you.